Okay, so you're gonna pull the motor out of the tube. This is the drive piece that we're gonna send you, a new one of. Don't worry that it's shaved down. We do that so that it fits into the tube. It does not mean that it's damaged. You're gonna use a drill to just undrill that one screw with the washer. Don't lose the washer. You're gonna pull it off, and then the new one we give you, you're just gonna put it right back on with the screw and the washer again. There's a hole right there. You're just gonna screw it right back in. It should be in there good. And then using the grooves, you're gonna match it up to the tube where there's grooves on the tube. Match each one up to its groove, and then you're just gonna slide the motor back in, and then the crown, the same thing. You're gonna match up these grooves right here to the grooves that are on the tube, and then you just pop it in. You can use like a rubber hammer if it's kind of hard to get it in, just to get it in, but don't let there be a gap. But you got to pop it in, and that's it.